On this code breaker activity, you're going to use your math skills to identify patterns and practice counting by ones, twos, and even get into fives and tens as you work to beat the game. At first, you'll watch the video.
Something very odd has happened. Oscar invented booby traps, but he forgot where they are and how they work. Oscar needs you to help find the patterns that show us where we can walk safely.
After you watch the video, then you press the start button.
Choose a level.
You will always start out at level 1, and then you will keep working to try to beat all of the levels. So I start at level 1.
See the numbers at the top out loud. How do they repeat?
Then I look at the top of my screen and I look for the pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I press 1, then 2, then 1, then 2. And I keep my pattern going until I get to the gate and it opens. Then I go through the gate.
Great work.
After I've solved it, I have one of two choices. I can choose to redo it if I didn't get all the juice boxes, or I press the arrow in next and I keep working.
Can you see a pattern in the numbers across the top of the screen? Tap the numbers on the floor to continue the pattern.
So I keep going. 2, 4, 2, 4. And then I keep going. And then it goes 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. 4, and then 2, 4. And I'm going to go backwards so I can get the juice box. 2, 4, 2, and then I'm going to go in.
Great work.
And I keep going until I'm done. And this is really going to practice your pattern skills and stuff that you learn in your classroom every day with your other teacher. Have fun and show me how smart you are.